Welcome! If you're looking to show your gender on your Facebook profile using the Facebook app on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through every step so you can update your profile and make your gender visible on your timeline. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the About section. This is where all your personal information is stored, and it's the place to go when you want to update details like your gender, birthday, or contact info. Click on the About tab to enter this section. Inside the About section, you'll see several categories on the left side. Find and click on Contact and Basic Info. This is where Facebook keeps your essential details, including your gender. Scroll down until you find the Gender option. Next to it, there's a small Edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on this Edit icon to make changes to your gender information. Here's the important part. To display your gender publicly, look for the checkbox that says Show on my timeline. Make sure this box is checked. This tells Facebook to display your gender on your profile so others can see it. Once you've checked the box, don't forget to click Save at the bottom. This will update your profile with your new settings, and your gender will now be visible on your timeline for your friends and followers to see. And that's it! You've successfully updated your gender visibility on Facebook using the latest app update on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.